They say make money in your sleep like it's a dream. But in 2025 it's not only possible, it's happening every day. Today I'm giving you 5 passive income ideas that actually work, are beginner-friendly, and most importantly, they still work right now. Stay till the end because the last one can turn $0 into a real income stream. Number 1. Faceless YouTube automation. No camera, no mic, no face, just uploads and money. In 2025, faceless YouTube is booming. You use tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory or InVideo to generate videos, and AI voiceovers. Here are niche examples that are printing money: finance tips, celebrity gossip, crime documentaries, book summaries. One of my videos made $230 in its first 2 weeks, and I didn't touch a camera. Okay, so let's talk about something that's quietly revolutionizing the way people make money online: renting out digital real estate. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, just like in the physical world where people buy properties and rent them out for passive income, the digital world has its own version of landlording. But instead of apartments or office spaces, you're dealing with websites, blogs, and online platforms that attract visitors and generate revenue. This is next-level digital landlording. Imagine owning a piece of the internet, a website that gets steady traffic every month. You don't have to be a tech genius to get started. All you need is a good idea, some basic website building skills, and a willingness to learn. Once your site is up and running, you can rent out advertising space, sell sponsored posts, or even lease the entire site to someone who wants access to your audience. The best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world, and your digital property works for you 24/7. For example, you could build a niche website or blog focused on a specific topic, like best tools for video editors. You'd create helpful articles, reviews, and guides that attract people searching for advice on editing software and gear. As your site grows, companies that make editing tools might pay you to feature their products, or you could rent out banner space to advertisers in the industry. Or maybe you're passionate about health and wellness. You could launch a blog called Fitness Gear for Women Over 40, sharing workout tips, product recommendations, and personal stories. As your readership builds, fitness brands and equipment companies may approach you to advertise on your site, or you could partner with them for sponsored content. The possibilities are endless, and you're in control of what gets featured. Or, if you're more into career advice, you could create a site like Remote Jobs for Gen Z, curating job listings, interview tips, and resources for young professionals. Companies looking to hire Gen Z talent might pay to post their jobs on your site, or you could charge a subscription fee for premium listings. The beauty of digital real estate is that once you've built a valuable online property, you can monetize it in so many ways: renting out ad space, selling leads, or even flipping the site for a profit. It's a smart, scalable way to earn passive income and build something that grows in value over time. You drive traffic with SEO or use AI content, place affiliate links or Google ads, and boom, cash every single day. Honestly, I built a simple blog last year and it still makes me money while I sleep. Next up, sell digital products on autopilot. You create it once, and well, it sells forever. Digital products are king in 2025. Think ebooks, Canva templates, Notion planners, digital journals, budgeting spreadsheets. The sky's the limit. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, and Payhip are gold mines, and honestly, the best part is you wake up to PayPal notifications with zero effort. Number 4, high ROI affiliate marketing, but the 2025 way. Affiliate marketing isn't dead, it just evolved. Forget trying to sell $5 toothbrushes on Amazon. In 2025, the affiliate marketing landscape is evolving faster than ever before. High-ticket and recurring affiliate programs are emerging as the true game changers, redefining how creators, entrepreneurs, and marketers build sustainable income streams online. Instead of chasing small, one-time commissions, more affiliates are focusing on products and services that pay out significant rewards, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale, and even better, offer recurring monthly payouts for as long as the customer stays subscribed. This shift is transforming side hustles into full-time businesses and empowering people to achieve real financial freedom. Think about the explosion of AI-powered tools like Jasper, Notion AI, and Veed.io. These platforms aren't just trendy, they're essential for businesses and creators who want to stay ahead. As an affiliate, promoting these tools means you're tapping into a market that's growing exponentially. Every day, more professionals and companies are adopting AI solutions to streamline their workflows, boost productivity, and unlock new creative possibilities. By recommending these tools, you're not only helping your audience, but you're also positioning yourself at the forefront of a digital revolution. And it's not just AI. Software as a service or SaaS products, investment platforms, and online courses are all part of this high-ticket recurring affiliate wave. These are services people rely on month after month, year after year. Whether it's a business owner managing their operations, an investor tracking their portfolio, or a lifelong learner picking up new skills, these platforms become indispensable. As an affiliate, you benefit from every renewal, every upgrade, and every new user you bring in. Imagine this. One sign-up can mean $50 to $100 in monthly commissions, stacking up over time. That's passive, residual, and scalable income. Money that keeps coming in while you focus on growing your audience or exploring new opportunities. In 2025, high-ticket and recurring affiliates aren't just a trend. They're the foundation for long-term success in the digital economy. Turn your knowledge into a course or newsletter. This one's wild because you already have the asset, your brain. Platforms like Gumroad, Substack, or Teachable let you turn your knowledge into cash. Don't overthink it. Are you good at budgeting? Know how to get scholarship grants? Built a big TikTok account? Mastered ChatGPT prompts? Package it, teach it, sell it. A few months ago, I decided to take a leap and launch a mini email course focused on AI content writing. I'd been experimenting with different AI tools for a while, and I realized there was a real need for practical, easy-to-follow guidance for people who wanted to use AI to improve their writing, whether for blogs, newsletters, or even social media posts. So I put together a simple course, breaking down everything I'd learned into bite-sized lessons that anyone could follow, regardless of their background or experience with technology. To my surprise, the response was incredible. By the end of the first month, I had a handful of students, and by month 2, the course was consistently bringing in $600 per month. It might not sound like a fortune, but for a side project that I built in my spare time, it was a huge win. The best part was seeing the positive feedback from people who felt empowered to use AI in their own work, and knowing that I was helping others unlock new opportunities for themselves. What's really important to understand is that none of these results require you to be a genius, have a fancy degree, or start with a lot of money. I'm just an ordinary person who was curious and willing to learn. The people who joined my course came from all walks of life: students, freelancers, small business owners, and even retirees looking to try something new. The common thread among all of us was a willingness to experiment, to make mistakes, and to keep going even when things felt uncertain. If there's one thing I've learned from this journey, it's that success doesn't come from luck or overnight breakthroughs. It comes from showing up every day, being consistent, and having the patience to see things through. You don't need to have all the answers at the start. What matters most is having a smart game plan, being open to learning, and taking small steps forward, even when progress feels slow. If you're thinking about starting your own project, remember, you're more capable than you think, and the only way to know what's possible is to try. The sooner you start, the sooner your money starts working for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Finance Game Plan. Let's build wealth the smart way.